Hello, this is multiple choice questions on auditing principles and practices part 5. I am Dr. KK Misra. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel R Classes. This I have compiled in view of your scheduled examinations to be held very soon. Now come to the questions. Question number 1. In case of insolvency or unsound mind, a person will automatically be disqualified for appointment as an auditor because options are A. He is not a person of repute, B. He cannot take decision properly, C. He is not wealthy, D. He ceases to be a member of ICAI. Correct option is D. He ceases to be a member of ICAI. Question number 2. The auditors have the right to attend. Options are A. Board meeting, B. Annual general meeting, C. Extraordinary general meeting, D. Any general meeting. Correct option is D. Any general meeting. Question number 3. The retiring auditor does not have a right to dash A. To take written representation, B. Get his representation circulated, C. Be heard at the meeting, D. Speak as a member of the company. Correct option is D. Speak as a member of the company. Question number 4. In comparison to the independent auditor, internal auditor is more likely to be concerned with dash A. Cost accounting system, B. Internal control system, C. Legal compliance, D. Accounting system. Correct option is B. Internal controls. Question number 5. Whether the management can restrict the scope of work of an external auditor. Options are A. Yes, B. No, C. In some cases, D. If shareholders permit. Correct option is B. No. 6. It is the duty of the auditor to dash to the members of the company on the accounts examined by him. Options are A. Give suggestions, B. Comment, C. Refer certain points, D. Make a report. Correct option is D. Make a report. 7. Auditor's report is expert's opinion expressed by the auditor as to the fairness of dash A. Financial position, B. General position, C. Financial statements, D. Balance sheet and profit loss account. Correct option is C. Financial statements. 8. Auditor report is addressed to the members of the company and is considered at the dash of the company. Correct option is B. Annual general meeting. 9. Due to lack of audit evidence, auditor issues a correct option A. Qualified opinion, B. Unqualified opinion, C. Adverse opinion, D. Disclaimer of opinion. Correct option is A. Qualified opinion. Viewers, by and large, let me tell you that correct options are highlighted in each question. In case of any discrepancy found, that will be corrected through my narration. Now, question number 10. When auditor does not have any objection regarding the information under audit, then he issues an correct option here is C. Unqualified opinion. 11. Auditor has to report to correct option here is D. Appointing authority. 12. The auditor must have a thorough understanding of the entity, the client's business strategies, processes, and measurement indicators for critical success. This always helps the auditor to options are A. Decide if they want to accept the engagement, B. Identify risks associated with the client's strategy that could affect the financial statements, C. Assess the level of materiality that is appropriate for the audit, D. Identify the potential for fraud in financial reporting process. Correct option is B. Identify risks associated with the client's strategy that could affect the financial statements. Now, question number 13. Which of the following are performed as risk management procedures? Options are A. Observation, B. Inquiry, C. Analytical review, D. All of these. Correct option is D. All of 14. Proper segregation of duties reduces the opportunities in which a person would both A. Establish controls and executes them, B. Records cash receipts and cash payments, C. Perpetuate errors and frauds and conceals them, D. Record the transaction in journal and ledger. Correct option is C. perpetuate errors and frauds and conceals them. 15. Misstatements may result from dash A. An inaccuracy in gathering or processing data from which financial statements are prepared. B. An omission of an amount or disclosure. C. An incorrect accounting estimates. D. All of the above. Correct option is D. All of the above. 16. Misstatements can arise from A. Error, B. Fraud, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. Correct option is C. Both A and B. 17. Sufficient audit evidence is a measurement of. Correct option is B. Quantity of audit evidence. Question number 18. Depending upon nature, audit evidence can be classified as dash A. Visual evidence, B. Oral evidence, C. Documentary evidence, D. All of these. Correct option is D. All of these. Question number 19. Depending upon source, audit can be classified as. Options are A. Internal audit evidence, B. External audit evidence, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. Correct option is C. Both A and 20. Which of the following is not internal audit evidence? A. Bank reconciliation statement, B. Bank statement, C. Copy of sales invoice, D. Voucher. Correct option is B. Bank statement. 21. Which of the following is not external audit evidence? Options are A. Bank statements, B. Purchase invoice, C. External confirmation, D. Sell receipt. Correct option is D. Sell receipt. 22. Techniques to obtain audit evidence are A. Inspection, B. Recalculation, C. External confirmation, D. All of these. Correct option is D. All of these. 23. The reliability of audit evidence is influenced by its. Correct option is D. All of the above. That is source, nature and circumstances. Question number 24. Which of the following item is not suitable for test checking? Options are A. Purchase transactions, B. Sale transactions, C. Balance sheet items, D. All of the above. Correct option is C. Balance sheet items. 25. A related party transaction may have the following features. A. A person or entity under common control, B. Owners who are close family members, C. Common key management, D. All of the above. Correct option is D. All of the above. 26. The books of account etc. of the company shall be kept at the dash of the company. Options are A. Corporate office, B. Branch office, C. Registered office, D. Head office. Correct option is C. Registered office. 27. Every company shall preserve in good order the books of account together with the relevant vouchers. The time period of preservation shall not be less than dash financial years immediately preceding the relevant financial year. Correct option is C. A. 28. If the financial statements do not comply with the accounting standards, the company shall disclose in its financial statements. Options are A. The deviation from the accounting standards, B. The reasons for such deviation, C. The financial effects, if any, arising out of such deviation. Correct option is here D. All of these. 29. The auditor's report shall be attached to. Correct option is D. Every financial statement. Question number 30. Proprietary audit refers to. Correct option is B. Examination accounts of proprietary concerns. This was all about this video tutorial. Now I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe and press the bell button and pass it on to others. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.